From indoor jungles to succulent installations, houseplants are the new pets. Well, kinda. We're gonna let houseplants have their moment right now. But today on Clash of the Crafters, we have two challengers that are going to be DIYing hanging plant installations. Let's meet our competitors. Plant lady extraordinaire Megan is sowing the seeds of her victory. But builder Jason is hoping to disrupt the dirt to bring home the win. Only one will beat the clock. This is Clash of the Crafters. We are going to be doing our best hanging plant installation. That means that we want it to be lush. We want it to be beautiful, but be mindful that you do only have 60 minutes.
Ooh.
Fast.
And you have full access to our craft wall. You guys ready?
Yeah.
I guess so. No choice.
3, 2, 1. Let's get to crafting.
I would love to start off with these glass. Can I grab
You go-
this?
yeah, of course.
Can I go for the glass?
Yeah, absolutely.
Awesome. It's the beginning of the competition. I am a little bit nervous. We're gonna be doing something that's a hanging installation, having it by a window, so I really wanna make sure the plants have the right lighting to continue to thrive.
I don't know what I want to do. There's just so many options. Maybe I'll cut some stuff. I feel pretty good going into this. I know a little bit about plants, not a lot. I'm gonna try to play to my strengths a little bit and maybe make something that's inventive, that takes up a lot of three-dimensional space. That's sort of what I've got going so far.
Okay, Jason, I
Yep.
know that your background is woodwork.
Yep.
And I'm really impressed that you are going to play into your strengths on this.
I have to. I don't have any other choice on this one. Yeah, I'm gonna try to make like a shape that profiles the plant,
Okay.
so that there's some sort of like outline.
So what is your vision here?
Yeah, well, I wanna use these glass orbs and do them in different heights so that they hang and kind of create a teardrop effect. But when I'm using the rope, I wanna make sure that it doesn't fray at the end. So that's why I'm knotting it with some other twine and then maybe just giving it a little bit of definition right here. So
This is why you're the expert.
Thinking.
Execution.
But I really wanna get into planting because you don't wanna hang it up and then plant the plant. You wanna kind of have everything together ahead of time so that when you hang it, it's a full piece already.
That's a tip, guys. 45 minutes left.
I think this one is gonna come, it's gonna take me a long time to get it right.
But then once
But then
you
at
get
the
it
end,
filled,
it's gonna go really
Oh,
fast.
okay.
I hope. If not, I got a big problem. It's gonna be really loud!
all right. I see some progression here.
Yeah.
Slowly but surely.
Oh, is this where you're gonna hang it?
Yeah,
I like that.
thanks. I hope it works.
This is great, but this is a plant hanging competition. I'm not seeing many
You're not seeing
plants
any plants.
here.
I know, I'm a little nervous I'm not gonna get this done.
All right, so what do we have going on here?
Yeah, we have a variety of different easy to care for plants, different pathos and other tropical plant varieties. And you always want to use rocks or sand or both as a nice base for your plants because this helps with drainage so the plants can continue to thrive in their environment without getting bogged down and soupy.
Oh, okay. I've got like 2 more cuts.
Okay.
Okay? I'm
Are you
almost
sure?
there.
Just 2?
I might have said that already. Okay. I made a mess.
Still no plants.
I know, still no plants. I'm sorry. I
Okay.
might have gotten, I chose a complicated shape, but I think if I can pull it off, I'm hoping that I can pull off a win. A little risk.
I'm seeing some plants on this side.
Yeah.
She's rolling
Smart
with that.
cookie.
Ah, yeah.
Because you guys have 20 minutes left.
Oh my gosh.
That's not very much.
Can't get my fingers all the way back there, so I'm just gonna use a paintbrush, which is my only tool that I like to use when planting little terrarium-like arrangements. So the paintbrush will help brush off the plant leaves that might have some dirt that come on it, but then on the back end of the paintbrush, I can use to make sure the plants are nice and firm in the soil. So this is perfect that that was back there. Okay.
I think I just ate some sawdust.
It tastes good?
Not really.
Ah.
Okay, here's the thing. I gotta make some more cuts. This is what happens when you're trying to rush. This is supposed to be a trapezoid.
I don't know what to tell you.
This is looking great.
Yes.
I see greenery. Jason.
Yeah, no, still no plants.
Megan.
Yes.
How we
15
doing?
minutes left.
Oh
Seriously?
my gosh.
Come on.
You do understand you have to like plant some stuff.
I'm trying. No guts, no glory.
All right.
That's
So
what-
you're actually going to cut a hole in that
Exactly.
and it'll drop in there.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Only if I can get it done, though. It won't be nice if it's not finished. I mean, right? Am I right?
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Stuff's happening over here,
It's constructed.
right? That's something. It's gonna go in there like that. What do you think?
If I can get a plant in there, I would be a happy judge.
Okay.
How are you coming along, madam?
Good, just adding some more beads on to these.
Okay.
And I'm gonna hang it on this piece of wood and then I'm gonna be all set. So I'm gonna want everything to cascade and I'm gonna do a lot of knotting. So I won't have to use any drill tools or anything like that.
Give me some pro tips when you're doing this. Should it be wet when you do it?
If it has a little bit of moisture, that's not a problem. But what we wanna also do is make sure that we loosen up those roots at the bottom base. So so that makes them acclimated to this new fresh soil that we have in there. Okay.
What about mixing? Is it cool if I mix plants?
Yeah, that's perfectly fine.
Okay.
Maybe wanting to mix, since you have some height there, something that's low-lying that will cascade down. Perfect.
Bingo, right?
Yes.
You feeling me? I'm making a mess, but
So I know
cleanup
everything's
is
gonna-
not part of our timeline.
You have 5 minutes left.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Three, 2, 1. Drop your tools and step away from your crafts.
I can't step away, but I'll carry it with me. That looks amazing.
It does look amazing.
I love how it ended up turning out. The wooden piece that was found is gorgeous, and doing some last-minute roping and tying knots without having glass at the end really connected it well together. I'm very pleased with how it turned out.
I feel pretty good about my finished planter. I was able to get the color accents on it. But again, the proportions are not correct. This is what's hard to do in your mind on a timeline. So I think that's probably my only tweak. Maria, she's a tough judge. She's gonna definitely look to the criteria. I don't know, but I feel pretty good about it either way.
You guys made this project in contest so hard to judge. I had to get ridiculously nitpicking to make a final decision. So Megan, you are the plant queen. I can feel the passion that you have for the greenery. I love the fact that it was very free-flowing, very well thought out. I loved everything about it. Jason, you literally blew my mind. I was not sure you were going to make it through that 60 minutes, but you pulled it together. You threw in the accents. You even planted 2 plants into your planter. It looks beautiful in its space. And the winner of the Golden Scissors is, drum roll please, Megan.
Yeah!
Woo! Thank you for blessing us not only with your amazing talent, but your amazing knowledge.
Yes! Being the winner of Clash of the Crafters. It feels amazing.